Hi friends, it's Jackie Williams, and today I just want to share with you a quick video about how to put your ink pads back together when they come apart. Sometimes if you drop them, or if you're a little bit overexcited, or if when your ink pad has been well loved over many years, sometimes the lid and the bottom separate. And I've seen a lot of people try and put them back together this way, the way that they actually sit when they're together, but there is a much easier way without getting ink all over your hands. So if you have a look at the lid, you'll see that you have a track running here, and then at the end of the track you have like a little separate little groove, and there's a separation in between. So you want to have that little piece towards your body, and then you want to pick up your ink pad with your other hand with your finger in this little groove here, and then you're just going to set it on top of the bottom. Just kind of slide it in there, and then have these little knobs in line with that little track, and you're just going to pop it in just like that. And ta-da! Your ink pad is back together.